Hey guys, I have a trade idea here on the euro pound on the weekly time frame. So I'm looking at this 0.83 level here, and my order is just above the monthly 200 moving average. If you look back at this chart, it has been major support since 2016, and you can see the price has reacted there multiple times. We have some valid support going on there. So what I'm looking to do is, it's nearly there, just needs to go down a few more pips. So I have my order at 83,100, and my stop loss is a little aggressive, so about 40 pips there. But if you want to be conservative, you could even go below this level there, 60 pips. But the potential for this is at least around 170 pips. So that's what I'm looking to do, risk around 40 pips and make around 170 pips. I can show you this on my TradingView chart as well, and you can see there on the weekly very big support going on there. Currently it broke like a head and shoulder pattern here possibly, but I am looking to take a swing long in this same area. So your stop loss can be around 60 pips, and then your first target could be at 83.80, and then potentially the next target could be around 84,700.